Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to use Lightroom to remove stray hairs. So we all get the flyaway hairs. We can see them right here. And I'm going to show you a quick way to take those out. So we're going to use the clone tool for this. And we can see my brush is really small right now. If we can see that cross right there, that shows you how small your brush is. So I'm just going to bump it up a little bit in size. You can kind of see here on the side how big the brush gets. So just determine what size works best for you. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go right along this young lady's hairline and just kind of draw, almost draw around there. That's what you're going to feel like you're doing. And then it's going to clone the gray area on there to cover up those flyaway hairs. You can come closer or you can move it further back. See, when I come a little closer, I didn't get it there. When I come a little closer, see, that's a little too close. We can tell that we did something there. You want it to look nice and natural. So there's our first one, and then you're going to continue to kind of go around her hair. You're going to have to move that tool a little bit whenever you do it, and you just want to make sure it blends good. You don't want it to look like you used a brush there. So I'm just going to kind of show you here real quick what I would do. And see that part there, that's going to be hard to get to, so I'm going to come in here and just move my tool a little bit. Those little spots can be a little tricky sometimes. Up around here, this is going to be your easiest spot to get. See up here, I can still see just a little bit, so I'm going to bring my brush size down just a little bit to get those few hairs that are in really close there. There we go. Alright, so there's what that's going to look like when you clean up all those stray hairs there. And then I usually add a little vignette to it. You don't want to add your vignette before because you're going to have a hard time cloning your backgrounds. If you try to take the hair out here and it picks up the color from above, it's going to be too dark. So that's why you want to leave your vignette off and then just add it back on. And that's how we remove stray hairs using Lightroom.